Namaste, welcome to Girbana Bharati YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to create DigiLocker account in mobile phone. For that, please go to Play Store, search for DigiLocker app, install the DigiLocker app, open the DigiLocker app, select your language. Now I am clicking continue in English button. Click on next button. Click on next button again. Click on let us go button. Click on get started button. Click on create account button. Fill the all details like full name as per Aadhaar, date of birth as per Aadhaar, gender, mobile number, set a security pin, enter the email ID, enter the Aadhaar number. After filling the all details, click on submit button. Enter the OTP which is received by your registered mobile number. Then click on submit button. Give a username for your DigiLocker account and click on submit button. Click on OK button. Now DigiLocker account is created successfully. We can use the DigiLocker account now. We can request the documents like Aadhaar card, PAN card, COVID vaccination certificate, ration card, 10th class mark sheet, 12th class mark sheet, driving license, etc. Thanks for watching the video.
ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. మీ విలువైన అభిప్రాయాలను కామెంట్ రూపంలో మాకు తెలియజేయండి. మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. ధన్యవాదాలు.